So the purpose of this video today is to kind of give you instruction as to what to do with all of the online content you'll be watching as we go through this troubling time. Now the idea for all the content is to do multiple repetitions of the techniques we're going through. So whether it be the standing basics, the Ippon Kumites, or the moving basics, or even the katas, the idea is to try and do these repetitions multiple times. And if you can, I'd recommend getting someone to film you so you can see your own progress when you actually watch the video back. And again, if you want to send me any videos of yourself training at home, firstly I'd love to see that, and secondly, if you want me to help you with any kind of tips for making it look better, looking stronger, then please do send any videos to me at info@theblackbeltacademy.co.uk. Alternatively, you can share this on Facebook and we'll obviously look at it there as well. We'll also be emailing out recently over the next couple of days our full schedule and also sharing all our videos via YouTube and our Facebook page. So if you're not sure where to go, contact us and we'll let you know how to find and access all of our content.